Microfluidics is used in the medical and pharmaceutical industries for cell and drug analysis or detection, as well as environmental testing of soil and gas samples. This is the proportion air solution. The use of a high-resolution proportional electropneumatic pressure regulator will deliver accurate, repeatable results for sensitive applications like microfluidics. The regulator provides pressure-driven flow control, moving the liquids through tiny channels on the chip at a specified rate, often very slowly. This limits the consumption of samples and reagents, shortens experiment time, and allows multiple tests to run simultaneously.